Good day, my audience. Welcome to MWW Math Empire, where numbers talk. Remember to subscribe and also hit the bell button on your screen so that you may be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, previously we talked about these factors, of which I get you informed that factors is any number that divides a number or a given number completely or evenly. Okay, and I also introduced Bus-Shell method of getting the factors of numbers. All right, in today's lessons, I want to introduce you to a formula that is going to enable you to get the number of factors, sum of factors, and product of factors, even when it involves a larger number. Okay, I would like to get the number of factors and the sum of factors together with product of factors of 1420. How do we do this? Recall previously that I informed you that you need to get the prime factors of these numbers. That is when I introduced n equal to x raised to the power of a multiplied by y raised to the power of b multiplied by z raised to the power of c. Okay, and I also informed you that this n simply means number of factors, while x, y, and z are the prime factors, and a, b, and c are their exponents. All right. Now, the formula for number of factors is equal to and this simply means getting the prime factors of this number will give us, we have 14, 20. When 2 goes here, we will have 710. We will have 3, 5, 5. 5 will go. And we will have 71. Seeing that we have a prime number here and it has only two factors, itself and 1. So it's only itself will now go and we will have 1. So their prime factors are 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 and 71, all raised to the power of 1. That implies that this will now be 2 plus 1 bracket 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 12. Answer. This is just the number of factors. We have answered that very well now. Now, let us go to sum of factors. Still having our n equal to x raised to the power of a multiplied by y raised to the power of b multiplied by z raised to the power of c, such that 1420 will now be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1. And sum of factors, look at the formula, x raised to the power of a plus 1 minus 1 all over x minus 1 multiplied by y raised to the power of b all over y minus 1 multiplied by z raised to the power of c plus 1 minus 1 all over z minus 1. As you can see, we will now have to do what? Substitute, knowing fully well that all these x, y, and z are the prime factors. What do we have up in the numerator? 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 all over 5 minus 1 multiplied by 71 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 all over 71 minus 1. Then, after all these things, what we need again to do is 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 all over 4. This thing is 5. Okay. Now 71 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 all over 71 minus 1 will give us 70. Now, 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 4 times 2, 8. We have 8 minus 1 all over 1 multiplied by 25 minus 1. Let's just write it like 25 minus 1 all over 4. Then 71 squared. 71 squared. Let me use at this interim, let me use it to introduce you the short method of multiplication when it involves two numbers. Do you copy? Remember, when I said do you copy, you tell me copy that. Okay, permit me to clean this place already. It goes this way. 71 times 71. What you have to do is what? To take this one and this one. When 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. Then keep the 1 here. Then add. Add 7 plus 7. When you add 7 plus 7, it's going to give you 14. Then you write 4 here. Carry 1. 1 is somewhere here, hidden. Then the same thing, the same numbers that you have just added, you multiply it again. 2, that is here will now be multiplication. 7 times 7 will give you 49. 49 plus 1 will give you 50. You can use your calculator and check it. When you get this thing done, you are still going to get 50, 41. Okay, so that will make us to have 50, 41 minus 1 all over 70. I'll have to clean and come up here. Okay, 8 minus 1 will give us 7 over 1 multiplied by 24 all over 4 multiplied by 50, 40 all over 7. Now we have here 7 times, when 2 here, 2, 1, 2, 6. So 70 times 6, then multiplied by 50 over 7. When 7 goes into 50, let's say we have 7 here. Carry 1, put it here. 7 into 14, we will have 72. Okay, so we will have 7 multiplied by 6 times 72. This will give us 30, 24 as the answer. Now, this is the answer for the sum of factors. Now, let us go over to product of factors. Permit me to clean. Product of factors. Then, under this product of factors, the formula goes this way. Number of factors raised to the power of total number of factors divided by 2. And what's our total number of factors? Is 1420 raised to the power of 12. Because initially, if you can recall, the number of factors, when we solved it, we got 12. That is when we use a plus 1 multiplied by b plus 1 and all that. So, having this divided by 2, the answer will now give us 1420 raised to the power of 6 as the answer. Can you see that? So, any number that is being given to you, using this formula, you can be able to do what? Get it solved. Remember to subscribe and also hit the bell button on your screen so that you may be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, thank you and see you some other time.